It was nearly Easter, so I decided to make an Easter project. I had to draw a picture of what I wanted to build. I printed out 8 base templates on a printer. In my project, I used 7 layers. I drew on each layer different images. It was an Easter scene with eggs, a bunny, a tree, and a countryside. After that, we had to cut out the pieces roughly. We didn't touch the lines though, so we had like an outline. We stuck them onto some plywood with PVA glue mixed with a bit of water. After that, we had to cut out the wood with the paper on. We used a scroll saw and we had to wear eye protection so we didn't get pieces of wood that flew into our eyes and could damage our eyes. And we had to hold on to the wood and push it down really tight so it wouldn't bounce away. It was easy and difficult at the same time. It was fun. We had to take the paper off, and I wrote the number of the layer on the back to identify each piece of wood. Sanding was a bit boring, but you had to do it so you didn't get splinters in your hands. My favourite bit was the painting because it was fun to mix the paints and putting all the detail onto the images. Decorate your layers however you like, but I used acrylic paint and coloured felt tips. I used PVA glue to stick all the layers together. And then I clamped them with a G-clamp until the glue set. And here is my Easter Toon Diorama. Yeah. Thank you for watching.